How's it going? My name is Evan, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get ClickFunnels for only $19 per month. This is a how-to tutorial where I'll be taking you over into a step-by-step process on how you don't have to spend $97 per month or $297 per month just to get ClickFunnels. So just to give a bit of introduction to myself, I post different digital marketing tips, tidbits, and entrepreneurship videos on this channel every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I would greatly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment if you found something useful or resourceful, or you just want to say hi. I always appreciate that. So let's get to the nitty gritty. Now, ClickFunnels is an online funnel service where you can get a whole bunch of landing pages and you can charge people through Stripe or whatever, or PayPal. And you can use this as for any sort of products or services. Obviously, you know what ClickFunnels is. That's why you clicked on this video. You just want to get it for much cheaper after the 14-day free trial. So here, let's just get right into it, and I'll show you how to actually get it for $19 per month. This is a secret that Russell Brunson and everyone doesn't really want to tell you. Also, a lot of the people that post their affiliate links, they don't want to tell you this information either because they want to make that sweet, sweet $40 per month off of you as their affiliate commission. And especially if you're just getting started, like $97, especially in the US, I'm in Canada, so that's around like $1 million. I'm just kidding. It's more along the lines of $125, $130 per month. I actually have the $97 plan because I need more than one funnel. You can get a maximum of 3 funnels in the shared funnel plan, which is the $19 per month plan. But I need about like 5 or 6 different funnels for my various amount of businesses and online entrepreneurship, little gadgets and gadgets. So a lot of the time, people with different affiliates, they want you to pay them that $40 per month. Me, I don't really care. I feel like if you're just getting started and you can't afford $19 per month, then you definitely shouldn't be going online. $19 per month really isn't anything. If you can't afford to pay $19 per month, this is cheaper than a Shopify plan. Ladies and gentlemen, this is cheaper than a Shopify plan, which is, I think it's around 30 US a month. This is $10 cheaper, and you get 3 different shared funnels with it. So let's get right into it. Oh, almost went a little too far right there. You probably could click pause, but I'll be talking about that in a minute. So open up a browser in incognito mode. So get either Chrome, if you're using Windows Explorer, I don't know why, Safari, Firefox. Open up a brand new web browser and open it up in incognito mode. That's the very first step that you need to do. Second portion is copy my shared funnel link. It's a case study funnel, which was I don't know if it was made famous by him, but it was. I got it from Sam Ovens. Sam Ovens, great digital marketer. He gives us away inside of his course. So the case study funnel, which I'll be giving to you inside of this video, absolutely for free. So you're welcome. Saved you $2,000 getting a Sam Ovens course. And it's a case study funnel. So there's 4 different steps to it, where it takes you to a landing page. And then it'll take you to a value video, and then it'll take you to a scheduler, and then to a thank you page at the end of it. You don't have to use this exactly. It's for my real estate funnel, and because I'm in the real estate niche as a digital marketer, so it's focused around real estate. You can change the videos, you can change whatever, and put your own stuff in there. It doesn't really matter to me. It won't break my heart if you do any of that. Now, I think that some of the schedulers and some of the videos are embedded, so you do have to change it, or else it's going to be my videos and my scheduler, and you don't want your appointments or your prospects to be on the phone with me because I'll close them. Just kidding. Just kidding. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the shared funnel in the comment section, as well as in the description of this video, so that you can have a look at it and you can copy that link. So you're just going to copy the link and paste it inside of the incognito window. Then you're going to sign up for ClickFunnels. And then if you already don't have a ClickFunnels account, it'll prompt you to sign up for ClickFunnels. And sorry, there's a ball bouncing around here and my dog's in here, so got to kind of deal with that. So you're going to want to sign up for ClickFunnels if you don't have an account. If you already do have an account, it's your funnel. You can go ahead and use it any way that you want. But if you don't have a ClickFunnels account, it will prompt you to sign up for one. So just fill in your information. So fill in your email, fill in a password for what you want to use with your ClickFunnels account. And then after that's all done, you're going to select the shared funnel plan on the next page that it'll prompt you to. So they'll give you 3 options. Once you click through with the shared funnel link, once you copy and paste that into the new incognito window, it will give you 3 options. First one on the top, it'll say, here's the shared funnel plan, where you have the 14-day free trial and you can get 3 shared funnels. Awesome, that's the one you want to pick, or it'll prompt you to do the second option is the $97 per month, or the third one is the Actionetics, $297 per month. Get the $19 per month plan. Here to help you save some money, and because you don't want to be spending $97 per month if you're not actually getting anything back and out of it, or else it just wouldn't make sense to continue, and you'll end up canceling. And that's why a lot of people with affiliate commissions that pressure people into getting the $97 per month plan or the $297 plan, it's kind of like unethical for me to be able to do that for someone that's just getting started like yourself. That's why you're watching this video. But as soon as you start getting some money rolling in, and then you'll be able to upgrade to the 97 or 297, whatever. Just make sure that it's economically feasible for you and you can actually afford it. Because a lot of the time, these people that sign up through different various affiliate links, they will cancel after a month or two because then they realize that, hey, I can't actually afford this. So these people that promote ClickFunnels as affiliate to sign up, a lot of them, they end up only making money for 2 or 3 months, and then their customer kind of leaves. I want you to be comfortable to be able to use this, and I want you to use me as a resource and use my funnel as a resource so that you can continue on with ClickFunnels in the future, because I'm an actual customer of ClickFunnels. I actually use their $97 per month plan, so that's why I can vouch for ClickFunnels. A lot of affiliates don't even use ClickFunnels. It's kind of hilarious. So select the shared funnel plan down there on the bottom, and then ta-da! You now have a ClickFunnels account for just $19 per month after the 14-day free trial. So you get your 14 days for free, obviously, and then you can have the shared funnel plan for $19 per month. Just like that, you get ClickFunnels for less than $20 a month. And just remember, a Shopify plan is $30 per month. Getting WordPress and then getting Bluehost and everything all set into that with a domain and everything like that. That's the other cool thing about ClickFunnels is that you can get a free domain as well. I'm not too sure about the $19 per month plan that you can get the free domain, but I know that I can get it with the $97 per month plan where they give you a free domain as well. So you save about like $15-16 anyway with a domain. And congratulations, you got ClickFunnels for $19 a month, and that's the reason why you are watching this video. And let's go down to this one part. Now, this funnel might not be for everyone. You might be just trying to sell a product, or you're trying to, or you're doing something for a client. I want you to get in touch with me if you need a new shared funnel or anything like that. So to get more shared funnels, you can follow me on Instagram. And my Instagram tag is the Gilbs. So my Instagram tag is at the Gilby Gilbs right here. So follow me on Instagram and send me a direct message on Instagram. Then like that's the only reason how someone can send a message is if you follow them. So send me a DM. And ask me if like, hey, Evan, I saw your video. Tell me where you found me, and tell me that you saw this video and that you signed up for the $19 per month plan, and that you need some more shared funnels, because I have a whole bunch of different funnels for like e-com, as well as different like products and services and stuff like that. Not just the case study funnel, but I do find the case study funnel to be extremely helpful for people that are in my niche, which is the social media marketing niche. And yeah. No, that's pretty much everything that you need to know in order to get ClickFunnels for $19 a month. Once again, if you thought this video was valuable and I saved you a ton of money, so from $97 to $19 per month, because everyone should be able to afford ClickFunnels, because I vouch for the actual service and the funnels of it, even though they probably hate me for promoting the $19 per month non-advertised plan, but oh well. I'm here to help people out on their online digital life and to leave their 9-to-5 job, just like how I did. And there wasn't a lot of resources on this online, so because people just want you to give them their high-end commission. So ClickFunnels pays $40 a month for affiliate commissions. And down in the comment section in the description of this video, I'll also put ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp, the 100-day affiliate bootcamp, where you can check it out, go and see how to become an affiliate for ClickFunnels, as well as I'll put links for .com secrets, which I highly recommend that you get. to understand ClickFunnels and building out your offline funnel if you're not as familiar with the offline process of building a funnel, as well as expert secrets so that you can become an expert with the niche and whatever your passion is, and demonstrate that on ClickFunnels and build out your actual entrepreneurship dream and sell any products or services that you're very passionate about and that you love to do. So once again, my name is Evan. You can follow me on Instagram at the Gilby Gilbs. You can subscribe to this channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Leave me a thumbs up if you thought this video was valuable. Leave me a comment. Tell me that I need a haircut, because obviously I need a haircut. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.